Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Chevy Express 2000, and this is for Yukon 2000 Yukon. It could be that there is a little bit difference of uh, the configuration. This is for 5.7 liter, and I don't know the Yukon what engine size, but if you are going to change this computer, try to open this piece here and put the EEPROM from that old computer to this one. And most of the time, the water that's going from here to here, this piece here, it go out, or people misuse it and come out, and the water getting on the top of the computer or the brake fluid or the brake surfaces, it go inside where it's located here, and oil and all this, and create a mess in it. This car sometimes start, sometimes not. I put the EEPROM in here. I have security lights flashing if it is a used one, and from the same exact year car it can start. Only different VIN number will be different. What are you gonna do if you have one same year, same part number for the same car? Just turn the ignition on 10 minutes, off 10 minutes, on 10 minutes, off 10 minutes for 30 minutes. The car will start. What I did here. After the car start, now you're gonna see if there is a differences in running or anything. If it's not, you have to use a Tech 2. A Tech 2 is the first tool that we use in it for GM. You're gonna connect it here on this place. You see that place there? That's the OBD2 place. Hopefully you can see it. I can see it well. Yeah, that one. Connect it in. After you connect it, be sure you have a battery charger. Okay, I'm gonna, because of the sun, you see this car here, I already put the computer inside, make 10-minute programming, like turn the key on, crank it, leave it, 10 minutes, make it off, again also crank it, leave it for 10 minutes, make it off, crank it, all the way, leave it for 10 minutes, make it off, and the car will start. If the car starts, if the software is for the same car, because that computer case part number is for about 70 to 80 different cars. And you put it in, you put the software, it's just like phone, like cell phone, iPhone 13 with T-Mobile, or with some companies unlocked. Only the information inside different, but it's the same iPhone. So that computer is unlocked computer. It can go for a different cars, but the software must be a little bit different from one car to another car. Now, if you put one used from junkyard and the part number is the same, could be the software is different. So what you need to do, you connect your Tech 2 and then come here. You're gonna turn this one here and then turn it on. As soon as it's come on, this is the first one. You're gonna see Tech 2 sign will come up here. Now on this button, you're gonna click enter and then choose service programming. You click OK. I already have the programming ready, but if it's not, it will tell you request information or program issue. If you go up, that to request new information. But if you want a program issue, the software is already downloaded into the Tech 2, if you can watch the first video. So what you need to do, just come here. I already have it with a VIN number and everything. You click OK. So this is a VIN number for this car, and this is the software that I downloaded from the TIS200 or TIS200, and that software on the laptop at the beginning of the programming of the GMC programming sequence using Tech 2. And by the way, this GM, you see here GM, you can get Saab, you can get Isuzu, you can get Suzuki, and the same Tech 2. You just have to change the card. Now what are you gonna do? Push the small soft button. Please continue. Ignition must be on. And then again continue. You will program this car. This car, when I started, is backfiring too much. So if it's backfiring, you see now, I'm start downloading. I should start this car to see that after I started, what the backfiring is. It's so loud. It's just like you feel like someone like, it's just so loud. Like misfiring, or those fire order is not correct, something there. But right now I'm 24%. You see now I'm downloading the software. Please subscribe, share, and like. If you have any question, feel free to ask. So, and this, do not be sure that you have a charger. And right now what I'm doing is I'm downloading the correct software based on the VIN number. Before, if you do a software request, it's gonna bring you a different VIN number. But right now, if you need to update computer or anything, you can use this one. If you have this software, you can do all older cars up to 2007. After that, everything goes online. So if you have it, it's yours because you have a subscription. They send it to you, and you can use it. Right now, last time when they updated the TS, AC Delco went from SPS 1 to SPS 2, and they went to a new company called TLC, Techline Connect. You see, programming is successful. Now I put the right software in this car. I wish I can make you hear the first. Hopefully, now I have nothing. I'm gonna escape. For example, if you come first, this is a diagnostic. You can go here and go down to 2000. Maybe you'll get relearn of crankshaft sensor. This is not. This is this car. Go to powertrain, and now the car is 5.7, big engine. 5.7. Click OK, and then CK. I'm not sure. CK under without air, diagnose code. Let me see what I have after programming. Let me turn the ignition on. No communication because ignition is no trouble code. I'm very happy. So let's start this car and hopefully everything is good. Oh, you see? Wow. Oh my goodness. Everybody's run away. I don't want to continue doing this because I don't want to mess up the I don't want to blow out the intake manifold. But this car, maybe the timing, something is wrong there. I don't know. So we're gonna leave this one to the technician to review all this. Maybe the electrical is in advance, but that's not too much. Okay. I don't want somebody call 911 or me say, hey, look, you messed up the car, you're creating something, but that there is something here that is backfire too much. So we may have to look at the timing. Trini is one of our technicians. So guys, give us an idea what happened. This car coming in by tow truck, no starting. Now we put the right engine computer, part number is the right one, we program it the right one. Before even we program it, this thing is happening. So mechanically, I'm not so good on mechanical open and take out, but electrical and electronics is okay. We have to review the wiring, for example. Be sure that all these are set up in the right place. Nothing is being changed or messed up. Wiring, and then from there we see if not advanced or a little. Then we take it from there. You see here we have 8246428, and then here we have also numbers. 1. I'm not gonna do anything for this. I'm gonna leave it for technician. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if there's any question, feel free to ask. And if you have any idea, please give it to us. I want to turn the ignition on. Yeah, that's too much. No codes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Best Car Fixes.